The new 12-inch Surface Pro is Microsoft's budget version of their most famous 2-in-1. Smaller body, lighter weight, a cheaper display, and a Snapdragon chip instead of Intel. On paper, it sounds like a clean deal, but the moment you start using it day to day, you start noticing what Microsoft removed to reach that $799 price tag. The first thing that stands out the moment you hold it is the build. It's unbelievably light, around 1.5 pounds, and thin enough to slip into any bag without thinking about it. The aluminum body still looks premium, and the kickstand is as flexible as always. You can set it at almost any angle on a table and it stays there. But the moment you put it on your lap, you're reminded of the same old Surface problem. The bottom edge digs into your legs, making it awkward to use like a laptop. It's great on a desk, but not so great anywhere else. Then there's the display. Microsoft used a 12-inch PixelSense LCD with a 3:2 aspect ratio and a sharp resolution. The colors are fine, the sharpness is fine, and the 90 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling look smooth. But once you've seen the richer colors and deeper blacks from the OLED model from last year, you'll instantly notice the downgrade. The webcam is also a step down. It's a 1080p front camera instead of the 1440p one Microsoft used before, and it shows when the lighting gets tricky. The bigger story here is performance. Microsoft switched to the Snapdragon X Plus chip, and it runs quietly because the tablet doesn't have a fan. For basic tasks, nodes, browsing, video calls, and watching content, it runs well. But the moment you load heavy apps for long stretches, you feel the limitations. It gets warmer faster than the Surface laptop that uses the same chip, and that laptop performs better because of the cooling fan inside it. So even though the chip is capable, the tablet's slim design holds it back a little. The storage choice is another cut corner. Instead of an SSD, you get UFS storage. It's not slow, but it's definitely not as fast as a proper SSD, especially for big files. You're paying less, but this is a downgrade you'll feel sooner or later. And now let's talk about the ports. You only get two Thunderbolt 4 ports, no headphone jack, no micro SD card slot, nothing else. For a tablet meant for students or people on the go, it feels bare bones. On the bright side, the wireless features are great. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 are the latest you can get. Accessories are where things get messy. The keyboard cover is sold separately for $149, and the slim pen is another $129. That part isn't shocking. What shocked everyone is the fact that Microsoft didn't include a charger in the box. You only get a USB-C cable. If you want Microsoft's own 45-watt charger, that's another $69. For a device that already depends heavily on accessories, this feels like a hidden cost that shouldn't be there. But there's still something impressive here. Battery life. In video playback tests, the Surface Pro lasted around 17.5 hours. Not as crazy as the 30-hour results from bigger laptops, but still strong enough to get through a full day if you manage your usage. It's solid for travel, classes, and office work. Graphics performance is also better than you might expect from a tablet that's slim. It won't run big games, but everyday apps, streaming, and light editing work just fine. The real turning point in this device is simple. It's more affordable, yes, but the storage downgrade, the weaker display, the missing charger, and the need to buy accessories separately add up fast. And when you compare it to competitors like the Asus Pro Art PZ13, which gives you more for the price, the value starts to look shaky. So the Surface Pro 12-inch is great for people who want something light, silent, and extremely portable. But if you're expecting top performance or a full laptop replacement without spending extra, this isn't the best pick. Watch the next video.